Hello everyone, my name is Victor and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download and set up the distribution code for CS50. In CS50, a distribution code refers to a set of files that the course staff provide to help students to start a problem set, lab, or project. Think of a distribution code as a starter package that contains the skeleton code that has partial programs or templates that will need to complete, data files that has databases, text files, images or CSVs that the assignment uses, instructions or helper files like readme.md, SQL files or sample input or output, and sometimes it might even have test cases to help you check your work. For start, we are going to use this problem set 7, that has a distribution code. So you can see for this problem, you'll use a database provided by the CS50 staff. So first of all, we are supposed to open VS Code. Here it is, open. Then once it's open, you are required to execute this. So we are going to copy that and execute it here. Then next, we are going to copy this and execute it here. And next, we are going to copy this and execute it here. Reply with yes. Then next, we are going to take this and execute it here. So once you're in that directory, we can be able just to check, and you can see that we have got 8 SQL files, 1 song database, and 1 answer.txt file. And that is it. You have successfully downloaded and set up the distribution code for CS50 song problem set. If you get stuck, just repeat these steps carefully and make sure you don't miss any characters in the command. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more CS50 tutorials. See you in the next video.